But human being, they work harder on their business, they work harder on their job, they work harder on their career, but they never work hard on themselves. So this is one thing I realized for the past 20 years, the only work I have is me. And I call it rate of self-evolution, which is mabilis yung aking self-evolution. Today, kasi hindi ko pa alam anong gagawin natin. Basta alam ko lang, magsiswimming tayo mamaya. Yeah, anything that you want me to support you, start tayo sa'yo.
Ano pong passion ulit?
Anong gusto mong kainin mamaya? Hindi, ikaw. Anything that you feel makakatulong sa journey mo, makakatulong sa pag-expand mo, kakatulong sa pagiging hindi lang millionaire at billionaire.
Ayun po, in terms of growth po is yung activity na gagawin natin mamaya with you po especially na I'm very grateful and very excited kasi po kasama po namin kayo within this whole day po. And isa ito sa mga minamanifest ko lang and ayun, nangyari na siya. So, thank you so much po sa opportunity na to.
And I guess manifesting is a big and buzzword for us, no? So, ako naman paniwala ko, whether naniniwala ka ng manifestation or hindi ka naniniwala ng manifestation, lagi kang nagmamanifest. Ang problema lang, yung namamanifest mo na hindi mo alam na manifest mo, ang mga bagay na hindi mo gusto. So whether it's working for you, it's not working for you, you are manifesting it, whether you like it or not. So ang paniwala ko, lahat nung nangyayari sa buhay ko, safely, 99%, ako yun. Problema lang natin, the reason why we are not creating the life that we want, tapos ang nakakreate natin yung mga hindi maganda, kasi naka-focus tayo sa labas. Naka-focus tayo sa anong gagawin ko. Strategy. If you look at it, halos lahat naman ng pinasukan nating negosyo, yung strategy binigay na. Bakit it only work for certain people? In fact, mabuti kung may 5%, di ba? Sa network marketing, ilang percent yung talagang totoong bonggang-bonggang successful. When say bonggang-bonggang successful, yun ba tipong hindi na pinoproblema ang recruitment, ang sales, kusang dumarating, dumalapag, effortless. Ilang percent? Less than 1%. Yung how-to nyo naman o yung strategy na binigay naman. So maybe yung naka 1% is internally aligned yung self-image, yung pananaw, yung frequency doon sa gusto nila. And yung 99 is hindi nila alam. Kasi a lot of people are living their life parang mga zombie. Parang they're just living life as is. And blessed tayo dahil meron tayong ganitong awareness, right? Na pag alam mo lang yung lahat ng solusyon ng problema mo, whether it's health, relationship, lalo pera, kung nakatuto ka lang sa loob, yung problema, it will be solved by itself. So which means, manifesting this, that's on you. Right? Because there's an invitation, pumunta ka. Diba? At the end of the day, isa lang talagang alam ko, kung palpak ako sa buhay ko, kasalanan ko to. Kung successful ako, kasalanan ko to. So, ibig sabihin, kung meron kayong paniwala or ugali na tanggalin natin is yung blame. Which means, nandito kayo, partner kayo ni Carl, gagawin niya lahat maging successful kayo. Believe me. No? Sa totoo lang, kinapalan niya mukha niya na para ipasok kayo dito. Diba, iniyakan niya na kita ko yung message na kay Rani. Kasi hindi naman to para sa kanya para sa inyo naman to Right? Pero he can only do as much. But you are still responsible with whatever you want to create in your life. Sabi ko nga, no, when the right person do the wrong thing, it will always be right. Ano kayang ibig sabihin nun para sa inyo? Kung yung tamang tao ginawa yung maling gawain, nagiging tama parate.
Ano po, I guess yung, for me po yung frequency, yung alignment.
Klaro ba? So ako napunta kunwari ako yung tamang tao, hindi ko sabing tama, kunwari ako yung tamang tao. Right? So napunta ako sa maling crowd. Alam ko mismo mali yung crowd ko. So hindi ko sisisihin yung nag-invite sa akin, hindi ko sisisihin yung crowd. Ang sisisihin ko, ba't ko inalaw yung sarili ko? So here's the thing, nandun ako sa wrong crowd, doon ako sa maling gawain, nakisaw-saw pa ako. Because again, the right person will always be responsible with the choices they're making. So choice mong nagpaimbita, choice mong dumating. Nung naramdaman mo, nakita mo na medyo hindi ito, huwag ka na makisaw-saw. With love and respect, excuse me, hindi pala ito para sa akin, God bless you. Then, tinama mo yung maling gawain. On the other hand, when the wrong person is given the right thing, it will always be wrong. Ibig sabihin, no? Ako'y taong excited, gusto ko itong negosyo to. Tapos, I'll guarantee you, lahat ng negosyo na ini-endorse ko, kaya ko siya ini-endorse. Kasi nag-work sa akin, nag-work sa lahat ng mga taong kakilala ko. May alam or wala, nag-work. Now, kung pumalpak ka man, hindi dahil yon sa strategy, kung hindi dahil ikaw yung palpak. And therefore, if this is the formula of life, unahin mo muna yung sarili mo. And ako, naniniwala, natatawala ko, Carl, kasi by next year, 20 years na akong walang hanap buhay na klaro. Ako yung OG na freelance. No, na pwede siya walang wow, pasorry ka sa outfit mo, alam mong may pa-outing, nakapantulog ka lang, love you. Hindi siya nakapaghanda ng maisuot. Yeah, nagulat lang ako kasi, you know, when I left my full-time job, that was giving me really good income, but it was also killing me. Why? Because again, because sa sobrang busy, kasyang nakaka-addict ang kitaan, wala. No health. Fat. Hate myself. Wala akong sakit, pero ang hirap kumilos kasi nga, I forgot health is wealth. Di ba? May pera naman. Useless ang pera. I forgot also people around me, family. Di ba? Sasabihin mo, ginagawa ko doon, mahal kita. Tapos 10 years ka nang hindi nagpapakita. Kung magpakita ka naman, medyo busy ka parati. Parang, we forget about it. That's why nakatutok ka sa pera. And little you may know, I love money, except it's not the answer to all of my life solution. It will just amplify my problem. It will just amplify what I have. So again, going back to co-focusing. So, yeah, by next year, no, 2027, 20 years na akong walang klarong hanap buhay. Yung 15-30, okay? Kung ano-anong pinasukan ko, okay, yan, network marketing, okay, direct sales, real estate, insurance, ngayon e-commerce. Nakakatuwa, lahat ng pinasukan ko, month 1 pa lang, hitik na hitik at talagang paldong-paldong kitaan ko. Ask me why. Maybe I'm the right person, getting into the right thing, and creating the result that I want. Which is what I'll guarantee you here, if you work on you, deeply, completely focusing on you, whatever you do, magiging ginto. Yeah, kakapasok ko lang ng e-com. Yeah, alam mo yan, first month pa lang namin, boom, boom, boom. Oh, ilang percent ngayon ang nagdo-dominate sa organization natin na galing sa akin? Halos 100%. Na walang kaalam-alam sa e-com, walang kaalam-alam dito. Nagpaturo lang one time, big time. Ngayon, boom! So which means my invitation for you, if you're here because you want to have the best life, specifically the finances, right? Do not look at money. Look at yourself. And when you're the right person, you're the best person, then you're in front of the business itself, it will just work the way it is because ikaw yung source ng success. Did that make sense? Right. So again, manifesting. If you don't like your life, you manifested it. If you like your life, you manifest it. Now, if you want to create more of what you want in your life, be aware. Okay, pangit to. Sige, take a deep breath. Ano kaya ang belief system ko around this? Right? How many of you here, you feel in terms of your health, you're not very happy and feeling mo ang pangit ng health mo? Honest lang. Yeah. So, again, it's not the kain or the non-exercise because I don't work out. Mamaya, pag nakita kumain ako halimaw. Clear? Which is maybe aware ako na ang source ng lahat ng kilos ko, ng result ko, is my self-image. How I see myself. So I started 46-inch waistline. So lahat ng kaya kong bilhin, pampapayat na bili ko. Lahat ng program na pinasukan ko, pang-fit pinasukan ko. Nangyari, pero biglang nawala. Na-experience na yan, hindi naging permanent. Ask me why. Because you're actually solving an internal problem to an external solution. So, ang internal problem ko is fat boy. So, which means, no matter how much I work hard to be fit, it will always be a fat boy. Why? Every time I look at the mirror, kahit fit na ako, yung matabang bata pa rin nakikita ko. So, I still go back to that. Self-image, self-worth, self-identity. That's it. So which means kung ang self-identity mo is mahirap lang ako, kahit gaano pang daming pera ibuhos sa'yo, babalik ka pa rin doon. Sabi nga, if we divide all the money in the world equally, it's a matter of time, babalik siya sa original owner. Why? It's never the strategy. It's never the effort. But it is really your self-identity. So, paano ko siya ginawa? First, you have to take a look at on your verbal conditioning. Especially with your I am. So which means when I started working on when I left my full-time job because it was killing me, nakita ko pala yung belief system ko tungkol sa pera, okay? Na yung mga mayayaman, okay? Masamang ugali, saka hindi maka-Diyos. May mga paniwala ba kayong ganyan? Yeah, based on result. If you don't have much money, baka yan ang isang pinakapaniwala nyo. Kaya pala, kahit ang dami pumasok sa akin na pera, kasi magaling ako eh. Hahanap ako ng paraan na mawawala lahat to. Papasok ako sa mga iba't ibang scam. Alam ko scam. Kasi, siyempre, gusto ko, mabuting tao ako. Gusto ko, maka-Diyos ako. Kaso lang, lumaki akong belief system ko that, rich people are wicked. Rich people are ungodly. Okay? And also my church, yung blessed are the poor, for they shall inherit the kingdom of God. Can you imagine that? Tapos yung Lazarus and the rich man, na bago ka daw makapasok sa langit, mabuti pa daw yung camel. Tama ba? Kapasok sa needle, pero yung mga mayaman hindi. So can you imagine? So that was going on. So first, you have to identify ano ba ang self-image ko. Okay? Ano ba ang self-identity ko? Because your self-image, your self-identity becomes your frequency. So paano gawin to? Number 1, verbal conditioning. Watch what you say. Watch how you speak. Notice the language that you speak. Sino dito, pag binakita ka medyo mahal, sabi, ay, mahal, wag na lang. Klaro? Hindi ko sinasabi magpakawaldas ka. Ang sinasabi ko, baka feeling mo at ang paniwala mo sa pera is scarce, kulang, mahirap. What if ang belief system mo ngayon, baguhin natin, ang pera ay parang hangin. Na hindi ko kayang ipunin lahat yan sa sobrang dami, pero naniniwala lang ako na pag kailangan ko, hihingahin ko lang. Gastusin ko, Ano pakiramdam pag ganyan paniwala mo sa pera? Walang anxiety. Walang stress. But here's the thing. Your source, your creator, my God, has always been providing us all the time, except we don't believe. Because you have to work hard for money. And when you work hard for money, ilang percent most of the time, kayo, na-observe niyo, have you been hardworking? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. At a scale of 10, how have you been hardworking? 10. Okay. Kumusta ang pasok ng pera?
2%.
2. That's honest. Generally, it's 2.
Yes.
Hard work, income, hindi nag-match. Bakit? Kailangan pahirapan eh. So therefore, pag kumita ka ng mabilisan ng hindi nyo pinaghirapan, anong nasa utak ninyo? Too good to be true, mawawala to. Tapos there's a shame and guilt. I don't deserve. Those are the wounds.
Yung ibig sabihin kapag na-feel mo na parang hindi ko siya deserve, yun yung...
That's the self-identity. But human being, they work harder on their business, they work harder on their job, they work harder on their career, but they never work hard on themselves. So this is one thing I realized for the past 20 years, the only work I have is me. And I call it rate of self-evolution, which is mabilis yung aking self-evolution. The first time you met me, Carl, versus right now, am I the same Coach Ras or parang anlayo na ng expansion ni Coach Ras? Milya-milya. Because when you work bigger on yourself, ang pasok malaki. So example, ikaw to. Sino to? Okay, 1 litro. So 1 liter represents 10,000 pesos. Kunwari lang. So anong dream income mo?
1 million.
1 million. Alright? Now, ikaw ito. Existing 10,000 ang income mo. Okay, ipasok ko dito yung 1 million. Kasya, hindi.
Hindi.
So, ano mangyari pag pipilit mo?
Matatapon lang.
Matatapon. Aapaw. At kung talaga ipilit mo, mababasag. Pero, wag mong isipin yung 1 million, ang isipin mo, alright, how can I have more knowledge? So when I am in the marketplace, I am more valuable. How can I have more skills so that when I'm in workplace, when I'm marketplace, I'm more valuable? How can I have more experience so that my value is no longer 10,000 pesos, but my value is already 1 million? Because the universal laws, the universe abhors a vacuum. Ano ibig sabihin? Kung lumaki ito to 1 million from 10,000, kumusta ang laman yan? Posible bang kailangang punuin? Yes. So which means kasya lahat ng gusto mo sa buhay kung palakihin mo, palaguin mo yung sarili mo. So again, if there's one takeaway I want you to go home today is instead of focusing on how much income do you want, instead of focusing on how much hard work and strategy do you have, I want you to focus in you. But the most important focusing in you is focus in the source. Because when you focus in the source, and I call him my creator, I call him my God, siya mismong kusang hahatid sa gusto mo. Because etong paniwala ko, lahat ng gusto ko sa buhay, in both quality and quantity, available na yan ngayon. Sige nga, yung 1 million available naman ngayon. Ba't wala pa sa'yo?
Yung sa vessel ko po siguro is parang hindi pa siya kasha.
Thank
Or
you.
hindi ko pa napapalaki ang vessel.
Thank you. And the only question I will ask you, how intentional are you in expanding your vessel? When it's intentional, you do not just put it in because you need it. It's your day-to-day life. Kaya okay magtaka kung gising ko ng alas 3 kasi I'm taking care of my vessel. Can you imagine 3 to 4, nag-meditate ako. 4 to 5, nag-learning ako. 5 to 6, nag-yoga-yoga ako. 6 to 7, nag-meeting na kami. Hindi pa tayo nag-start, nandito na ako. And that's every day. Nagsasawa ka ba sa topic ko or paulit? Okay? Ako rin din nagsasawa. Kasi bakit? Di rin araw-araw akong nag-aaral. So for the past 10 years or 20 years, meron akong isang drop na tubig araw-araw of my well of growth. Gaano kalaki ang lawa ko? Isang buong dam na hindi nauubusan. Ask me why.
Why?
Intentional. You put that into your day-to-day thing. Repeat after me. When you think about it,
Think about it.
it's illusion. Nag-i-illusion ka lang. When you talk about it, it's a dream. When you write it, it becomes a reality. But when you schedule it, it becomes when you write it, it becomes a goal. But when you schedule it, it becomes a reality. Oh, you wanna be healthy? Oh, i-schedule mo yan. Klaro ba? Hindi yung, kasi ang sarap, napakain ako ng madami. Wala kang intensyon. Alam mong hindi maganda sa'yo, inoferan ka, tinanggap mo, sisisihin mo ito nagbigay sa'yo. Wala kang intensyon. You wanna have a body like this? Yes or no? Or like this? White or white? Sige nga, ganun ka nga. Put that in. Huwag mo lang siyang gawin dahil isisingit mo sa busy life mo. Kaya para sa akin, ang pinaka-non-negotiable na hindi mo ako maisipan na magiging depressed ako. Hindi ko sasabing hindi ako nalulungkot, pero yung kalungkutan ko, mabilis ko ma-shift. Yung galit ko, mabilis ko ma-shift. Bakit? I made sure that my 1-hour meditation is a practice, a priority, no if, no but. Klaro ba?
Yes.
So intentional, be intention. Put that in. Don't just work every day. Don't just go to report. It's the same banana all over again. Nagka-result ba? Sabi mo nga, based on result, nasa 2. Oh, ano magbabago? Hindi hard work. Hindi strategic work. Balik tayo ngayon again sa self-image, self-worth, self-identity. How much time, how much effort, how much investment are you putting in for your self-identity? Because self-identity is the only solution for us to create what we want effortlessly. Maganda ba?
Yes.
So kung ang self-identity mo is ang pera ay laging umaapaw parating sa akin, do you think kailangan mo pang pagtrabahuan yan or kusang ihahatid? Exactly, kasi yan na yung alignment mo sa frequency mo sa pera. Now, since some of you, no, medyo nagmamadali na. Meron bang nagmamadali? Gusto talagang yung income niya makuha? Okay, so get priorities, intentionality. Number 2 is intensity. What's the word?
Intensity.
Be intense. Diba? May mga cut-off pa kayo sa business ninyo? Diba? Kailan tayo naglalagay ng intensity sa ating negosyo? Kung kailan? Exactly. What if yung intensity mo, day 1 pa lang? Hindi mo na siya pinoproblema. Alam mo naman itong deliverable mo, kailan mo siya ipapasok? Yung talagang totoong trabaho. Yung usually. Pag malapit na, kaya ka tense, kaya ka stress, kaya ka anxiety, kaya ka overwhelmed. Kasi nga, kulang ka sa intensity, kulang ka sa intentionality. Lastly, surrender. Kasi kung hindi man binigay ngayon, baka meron ka pa dapat matutunan. Kasi hinahanda ka ng may kapal doon sa pangarap mo na hindi mo nga alam, pwede pala yun. Sige nga, sino dito gusto magkaroon ng jet plane katulad ng kay Elon Musk? Kung may jet plane ba siya? Sino may gusto? Oh, ibigay ko sa iyo ngayon saan may paparada. Oo. Klaro ba?
Yes.
Oh, paano mo manuho yun? Oh, tapos may tax yun. Kailangan mo ng $10 million na tax. Mababayaran mo? Oh, so, huwag kang mag-ambisyon na hindi mo pinaghahandaan. Oh, sino gusto magkaroon ng farm na ganito? Oh, ibigay ko sa iyo ngayon. Pero may maintenance to na 300,000 a month. Exactly. Tutok ka lang sa source. At ang source mo, ang Panginoon mo, at Panginoon mo nakatira sa iyo, tutok ka sa iyo. Clear?
Clear.
So how do we go about it? Number 1, verbal conditioning. What it is? Watch what you say. That's I'm really an advocate of audiobook. Okay? Gusto niyo ba yung mga sinasabi ko?
Yes.
O, kumuha kayo ng isang YouTube ko, i-download nyo, memorizein ninyo. Kasi pag na-memorize nyo yan, ang tawag dyan, repetition. And repetition is the mother of all learning. The father of success. Because it will start with your verbal conditioning. Klaro?
Yes,
At magkakaroon ka ng bagong languaging. Kasi pag wala kang bagong languaging, paano ka magkaroon ng bagong utak? So, it starts with your verbal conditioning. Clear?
Clear.
And be careful, speak only of what you want. Sabi nga, di ba, let the weak say, I am.
Strong.
Oh, so if you don't like your sickness, stop talking about it. Hirap. All the more hirap darating. Let the poor say, I am. Be careful what you speak. So that's the first, verbal conditioning. Second, specific event or specific experience. Always get yourself out to experience. Ako, this week, I have a specific event, specific experience that I am expanding my money container. Okay, can I share with you one of my money wounds?
Yes.
Alright? So, hindi ako komportableng humingi ng pera kasi madami akong pera. Baka machismis ako na naghihirap na. At hindi rin ako komportable tumanggap. So, birthday week ko this week. May mga regalo nang dumarating. Grateful ako na may nagre-regalo. Pero ang ayoko kasi, minimalist kasi ako. Kung pwede lang walang gamit sa bahay. Tapos pag magpadala ka ng pagkain, mga pagkain naman na hindi natin gusto. So it will all go into waste. So how can I stop people from doing that? You have to say, you have to ask what you want. Wala na akong gusto sa buhay. Tanong niyo sa akin, galing ako sa, Canada, US, cruise. Tanong niyo sa akin, at the level of 1 to 10, gaano ka exciting sa akin yun? Hulaan niyo. Cruise. Business class seat. Tanong niyo sa akin, ano yung level 10 sa akin?
Ano yung level 10?
Eto. Hindi ba halata? Hindi pa tayo nagsisimula, binanatan ko na. So which means, naintindihan ko that there's no amount of money can make me happier. Maybe because I'm so fulfilled with my life that anything that's external is not that valuable to me anymore. Ask me why. Because I'm one with my source. Lahat ng kailangan ko, binibigay. Hindi ko nga hinihingi eh. So now, my practice here is to allow people to bless me. So na-realize ko, napaka-selfish ko pala. Bakit? No? Kunwari si Carl, tinulungan ako. Automatic, pagkatanggap ko lang, yung feeling ko, shit, anong pwede kong gawin na malamangan ko yung bigay niya? May ganyan ba?
Yes.
As if you don't deserve it. I'm not saying I'm not grateful, but what I'm saying here is, nauna na yung, shit, paano ko matapatan to? Tapos hahanap ako ng paraan, ano pang pwede ko ibigay, ano pwede ko ibigay. Walang katapusan. Versus I deserve, and I'm grateful, and I don't even have to reciprocate, because maybe the reason why you're blessing me as much as you want to be, because I blessed you in so many ways in the past. True or true?
Hindi ko nga ako kulang pa yung...
That's 1,000% ng expectation ko. Klaro ba? Pero specific event sa akin yun, Carl. Kasi malaking chance na pwede akong pag-usapan. I'm taking the risk. Malaking chance. And it doesn't matter anymore. At least I'm breaking through. Based on result, kota na ako. Ganun lang pala yun. Did that make sense? So again, specific event. Get yourself into a specific event wherein bago ito,